Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Smith, and a lot of y'all wanted to know if the purple hair paint wax would wash out of my hair, and I wanted to know myself, so I came to do it on camera. So I put this purple in my hair on a wash and go about 5 days ago, and it was just time for me to wash my hair. So the directions say that you should be able to just wash this out. So after I got done doing a little bit of finger detangling, I put my hair under the water, and as you can see, the purple is literally just rinsing out of my hair with just water. So I just kept rinsing and rinsing until at least visibly all the purple was out. But of course, I was about to wash my hair, and I did do a little co-wash, and I did see a little bit more purple in. So I did the co-wash 2 times, and then after that I went in with Miche Beauty Cleanse shampoo, and as you can see, I have 0 purple suds, which means the color is all out. After I got done washing, my hair wasn't tacky or anything. The color was completely out. So yeah, this color washes out like it says. The only thing I have to say about the color now is do not go near any water while this is in your hair, because it will rinse out. Let me know your thoughts and questions down below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.